Welcome back, Silver Punks, and today is the final part of our Chucky pouring round series, so we hope you'll enjoy it. We get down and dirty in the pouring shed, so come and join us and let's get stuck straight in. So we've got all the impressions. I'll quickly show you through what we've got. As you can see, we've got the 4 impressions done. I've done them all in little flasks. As you can see, I had 2 bigger ones. I've only got 2 big ones, 2 little ones. I've got 4 made up from the nice 3D print that the judge did. So we've got a few bites of the cherry at this one, just in case, because it is experimental. Never done it before. So we're not sure how it's going to come out, but there you go. You're getting that bad boy? Look at him. So yeah, really excited about this one. Love Chucky. Love the subject matter. So the furnace is up to 1068. So no further ado, I'll get the map gas. We'll get the tongs heated up because it's very cold. It is very, very cold out in the pouring shed HQ. So I'll get the condensation and any coldness out of those. Right, they're good to go. Right then guys, put the gas down. And let's see what we can do here. Right, let's just check the furnace. Yeah, furnace 1072. As you know, I like it between 1070, 1080 for these type of pours. So, won't be long now. Just give it another 30 odd seconds. So if you do like what we're doing guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It all helps and it'll just remind you guys when the next videos are coming. We've got some really cool things coming down the pipeline. We've got a viewer request that we're working on. Someone requested that they wanted a domino doing, so we're doing a silver punk domino. So if there is anything you guys would like us to do, or any ideas, just drop us a line or a comment below and we'll see what we can do. Right then guys, less talking, let's get pouring. Right, 1075. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, we got the glow. Right, experimental Chucky pour. Here we go. Oh, look at that chunker. Oh, it's got a lovely back on it. I did go a bit heavy. But look at that guys. Look at that. My word, this is going to be a chunk. It's over 100, I'm guessing. I think I put 150 grams in from memory. I've got it written down on my pad. Yeah, 150 went in and there's only a little bit left. But look at that. Look at the colours on that. Oh yeah, look at that guys. You getting that? That is superb. I'm loving that. Look at that bad boy. Oh, it's taking a while to cool and it is absolutely freezing here. So it just shows you what a chunk it is. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm so excited with this one. There it goes. Now I'm guessing we might get a little bit of bubbling. Look at the colours, still red hot, still going. Guys, I don't know if to give him a flip over now or just give it another 30 seconds. There, yeah, we're getting some bubbling. There we go, the air's trying to get out. Oh, it's not a problem, I can sand those off, but I mean, it's the way it was born, the Silver Gods, that's how it was born, so I kind of like them if I'm honest. It's the way it's meant to be. Right guys, should we get him flipped over? Let's have a look. Experimental Chucky. Oh, he's a big chunker. Oh, look at that guys. Oh my word. Oh, are you having that? He's a chunk. But again, it's with the 3D print, we can control it, so we can do it shallower, so not as deep, but he's a chunk of a pour. He's a oh right guys, let me get you turned around for the quench. Oh yeah. Here we go then guys, over for the quench. You getting that bad boy? Chucky. Oh yeah! Oh guys. Oh, we're excited with this one. Excited. Let's have a look. Oh guys, look at him. You getting that? It's the Chuckster. Look at that. He's a loaf though. Look at that though for a round. Look at the thickness. You're getting the thickness on that. Look at that bad boy. Happy with that. He's going to come out well. Tone up nice. Nice in the hand. We'll get him weighed when we go inside. But I got another one. We'll have another go. So I'll reload the furnace. And we'll do another one. Right guys, here we go then. We're going to go for pour number 2 on the Chucky. Furnace is back up to temperature. 1080. 82. So yeah, here we go. We got the glow. Let's have another go. Chucky pour number 2. Oh, just give it a little wobble at the end because it didn't quite fill. Just had to give it a little go. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. Oh yeah. Try to do this one a bit thinner. It's got a lovely dome back on this one. Oh yeah. You getting that? Look at the colours. Look at the colours. Oh, so excited. I've got a little bit of silver left, probably not enough to do another one, but what I'll do, I'm going to pour it in one of the remaining casts I got just to see if we can get a little Chucky face. We'll do an experimental just to see. You getting that? Oh yeah. Right, let's flip him over. Oh, flames. That's what we like to see. Look at that bad boy. Oh yeah, looks like he's come out cool again, guys. This new 3D print, the new 3D prints are working a treat. They really are. It's a lot better having the thicker print size. There he is. Right, I'll just turn you around for the quench. Right, let's get him in for the quench. And we'll have a look at him. There we go, guys. Looks like he's come out okay again, but because I've rocked the mould, it may be a bit misshapen on the bottom, which is a bit of a nuisance. But yeah, as you can see on the bottom there, a bit misshapen, which is a bit of a nuisance. So it'll be a meltdown. But look at the face come out cool. Oh yeah, you getting that? Right, and guys, what I'll do, I'll take you inside. I'll do the other pour off camera because I haven't got a lot of silver, just an experimental, but I'll show you the results. So we'll go inside now and see what we've got. Right, welcome back guys. Here we are inside. Bit of a messy desk as you can see, but here we go. As you see, I've done another one. I melted the one down which went awry a bit on the side, but that was the first one. Look at that bad boy. You getting that? Look at that big chunk of a pour. And there's another one that I just done at the end. Didn't quite come out at the top, but that was my own fault because I had a bit of a slight problem with the old mould. Let me just grab it for you. If I just leave that here, I'm just holding the camera. Where's the mould gone? Here he is, over here. We had a slight bit of a mishap because if you're getting that, you seeing that? I had a bit of silver go flying and burnt the side of old Chucky's face. So God knows what the judge is going to say. He's going to have to get his little keyboard fingers out and knock me up another print. So yeah, so I couldn't do any more. So yeah, so we had to go with those, but very, very cool. I mean, look at the relief on those. I mean, I did speak to the judge. I didn't tell him about the mould. All his concern was a little bit about the layer lines. He said, how pronounced are they? And you can see them. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the old tumbler, the tumbler machine. You getting that? I've got my little bowl's in there with a bit of washing up liquid, a bit of warm water. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tumble them and just see what happens. It's experimental. I just don't want to lose any of the features. So I'm not sure how long I'm going to give them. So what I'll do now, I'll get the tumbler on and then come back to you. Right guys, so here we are at the tumbler. There he is, he's inside there as you can see. I'll put the worst one in first. That's the better one, that was the first pour that we did. So he's in there now and I'm going to let it go. I'm going to put it on number 3. So not too fast, and I'm only going to give him 10 minutes. So, and I might check it after 5. So let me just turn him round to 10, and then we'll switch him on. Size. Okay. Right, might help if I turn it on at the wall, mightn't it? 1 second. Oh, there we go. So he's off and running. Getting that, he's having a nice tumble. So I'll come back to you guys once he's tumbled. Right punks, here we are. I've just come out the tumbling machine. That was the first one. As you can see, not quite pronounced now, the lines. But it went a little, I think I left it a little bit too long. He had about 4 or 5 minutes. As you can see, we've lost a little bit of definition, but the lines, he feels smooth. And the back's lovely now though. Look at the back, what a lovely back that's come out. That'll tone nice. But so for the first pour, still can see some of the lines, but just toned them down slightly. So not quite as prominent, and you can still see the cracks in his forehead. And again, the back's come out lovely. Look at the back, really nice. Got rid of some of the little bumps and what have you. So it's smooth things off. So I think the toning is going to take really nicely. But before we do the toning, I need to use another machine now. As you can see, this one's a little bit dirtier because that was in for long. I say dirtier, it's just had more of a pounding. So some of the furnace, when you pour it, the colour's slightly different, as you can see. So what I need to do now, I'll give them both an ultrasonic clean in the ultrasonic cleaner. You see there. So we're going to give them a clean now. Give them a nice ultrasonic bath, and then once I take them out the bath, they're going to be really hot, and then we'll do the toning. So the toning should go really quick, because the hotter you have the actual metal, the quicker they actually tone. So I'll pop them in the cleaner now for you, and then I'll come back to you once it's done, because I'm going to give them 15 minutes. And as you know guys, this is a really noisy procedure. So in they go, they're in. So let's just come round here. Right guys, so here we are. If you can see the 2 finished articles, you're getting that nicely antiqued up. Really well. Look at that bad boy, you're getting that. Here's Chucky. That's the one that we only done in the tumbler for about a minute, and that's the one that went a bit longer. And as you can see the little hammer marks, the little balls where they've bombarded it. So it's got rid of the lines. So you got 2 different finishes, but that's my favourite. You getting him? Look at that bad boy. First one we poured. Look at that, nice and thick. Look at the back on that. You having that? So really enjoyable. Really enjoyed the pour. The judge done us proud with the old 3D print, which I've now ruined, as you can see. But there you have it guys. Chucky ×3. More to be coming soon. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please do subscribe and like the video. And I'll see all you silver punks for our next video. Cheers.